Welcome to the LaKesha Alert app permission tutorial. Right now we're about to break down the permissions of the LaKesha Alert app. Let's go. The simplest way to find the permissions if you're using Google Chrome or Google Android is go to your Play Store or type in Play Store in your Google search engine. Type in the letters LAKESHA, click on the LaKesha Network icon, scroll down to where you see permissions. Under permissions, you will see view details. Click on view details. Now the first two permissions you will see is location and phone. Now location actually states approximately location, network based, precise location, GPS, and network base. Basically what that's telling you is that each network has its own GPS technology, and according to the network you are using, that's where your location will be pinging from. Now the LaKesha network uses a form of e-ping technology. It is the same type of technology found in an airplane black box. It let off one singular ping to find your singular location. It is sort of like having a weapon with only one bullet. And so as the alarm goes off, you only have one shot or one singular ping to zoom in on that one location. So we do not have the capabilities to track you to your mailbox or track you to the grocery store by using one singular ping. Now in the future, we would like to require this type of functionality, but then we would come out with something like the LaKesha Deluxe version or the LaKesha Tracker, and then I will make a tutorial explaining to you that we have the capabilities to track you. And to be honest with you, if you don't mind Mark Zuckerberg and them taking your information and selling it to Fox News and different corporations, I'm pretty sure you won't mind the LaKesha network using some information in order to protect the community. LaKesha Alert app permissions. Phone. Directly call phone numbers. Basically what this means is if you have a parent or child version, when you look inside the app you will see the icon of your parent or your child, and if you click on that icon it will give you the capabilities to call directly within the LaKesha app. Read phone status and identity. Basically it's telling you that the LaKesha Alert app has the capabilities to find out what make and model phone you are using. This is a very simple function by using your scroll down menu, going to settings, scroll all the way down to about device, and within about device you will be able to see all the specs and all the model numbers of your device. This do not mean that we have hired people or have some big huge data facility where we are storing and listening to your phone calls. The LaKesha network do not have storage capacity to store any information outside your zip code and your normal application information. Now understand this, parents. The deep web criminal culture is a very sophisticated culture and sometimes houses very prominent people such as police officer, judges, attorney generals, governors, and so forth and so forth. And us here at the LaKesha Network, we are taking the fight to these people, and we deserve nothing less than respect.